Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I made this shower gel containing lactic acid that can actually help to exfoliate the skin, brighten the skin, and of course cleanse the skin. If this is your first time on this channel, please do well to subscribe, like this video and share. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much. So without wasting much time, let's see how we made this beautiful shower gel.
When it comes to taking care of the beauty that you show, Primeside, your trusted cosmetic partner.
Welcome back. So to make my shower gel, I'll be needing a polymer. This particular ingredient will actually help me to get the consistency of my shower gel. So for this, I'm going to be using hydroxyl ethyl cellulose, also known as HEC. And I would want to use 1% of my hydroxyl ethyl cellulose. Next, I'm going to add my vegetable glycerin to first pre-dissolve my HEC before transferring it into my main phase. I'll be leaving the list of ingredients on the screen as you watch. Please take note. So here I'm making a slurry of vegetable glycerin and HEC. If you do not want to do it this way, you could disperse your HEC gently and gradually into your water and stir. I just do not want to have any lumps to fight with. That is why I'm making the slurry beforehand. Okay, so after this stage, I'm going to weigh out my surfactant stage. For this particular formula, I'll be using disagglycoside and cocobetane. Both surfactants are actually mild non-ionic surfactants that can actually lather and cleanse as well. And also, if you always have trouble with your body shower formulas, I think these two will do a good job for you, especially if you want to make a simple shower gel. So after weighing out my surfactant, I'm going to weigh out my water phase, and you all know that I prefer to use hydrosols in place of water every time. So I'm going to be using both pineapple hydrosol and also turmeric hydrosol, simply because I want to make a brightening shower gel. So I chose pineapple hydrosol that contains papain enzymes and also have other antioxidants in it, and also my turmeric hydrosol that can help brighten the skin. Hydrosols actually makes our product, more improved always. And then I've added my allantoin powder and allowed this to dissolve. After preparing this phase, I would want to introduce my polymer into it so that it will start hydrating on time. So I'll just put this under an overhead stirrer to hasten my mixing, and then I'll add the polymer, the slurry already made with the polymer and glycerin into this, and allow it to continuously stir until the water thickens and gives me the consistency that I want. Here, if you're having any formulation troubles or you feel like you want to learn skincare the right way, do you know that we have a registered institute that teaches skincare formulation, and you can learn either online or offline? All you need to do is to reach out to us to get started. It's a full equipped curriculum diploma, and trust me, it's not something you'll regret. All right, let's get back to our formulation. So our product is thickened, as you can see, and then I'm just going to check the consistency. Now this is the consistency we got, and it's just excellent. So the next thing I'm going to do is to add my surfactant that has been weighed out already, the disagglycoside and the cocobetane. Now after adding my cocobetane, it's time to actually add my lactic acid. But now when working with lactic acid and surfactant, you have to be very careful as a formulator. Anything over 2% is going to destroy your entire formula and going to make your product to agglutinate. Like the polymers is just going to stay one side and the water is just going to stay one side. So I'm adding 2% of my lactic acid into the formula, and that is enough. Also, this lactic acid is serving as an active ingredient and also serving as a buffer. I'm also going to complement this lactic acid by adding some mixed fruit acid. This is actually very optional because this actually displaced my product over time. Okay, so you may want to exclude this from the formula, but I did this because I used it myself and it was just good. mixed fruit acid is also an AHA containing a combination of different acids, so it will still work just like lactic acid. I just wanted to make something exfoliating, but then you could still give this a try and see how it turns out. So next thing, I'm going to check the pH of this product, which actually gave me pH around 6, and I think that was excellent for this product. I'll go ahead to add my fragrance oil or essential oil. Here I'm using red raspberry essential oil, and that's because I want it to smell really nice. And then I went ahead with my food coloring red because I wanted to give this watermelon kind of theme, which I truly liked. So I added my essential oil. I didn't add the fragrant oil because I wanted to use this product for my face, and I will definitely react with fragrant oils. And so then I added my preservative. Here I used Usal P9010, and then I allowed the product to mix. I gave it real time to actually mix very well. This product was so good that I had to make it again, this time without my mixed fruit acid, and this was how it looked. Really nice, very perfect and okay. For this one, I used my HEC at 1.5%, and that is why it's looking really thick, but I wanted it this way. If you usually have troubles with your shower gel, please share your experiences in the comment section. And if you're also a formulator who makes shower gels and have troubles and fix them, please share your experiences also in the comment section, and also help others formulator fix their troubles too if you know their answers in the comment section. Okay, so for ladder test, I tested the shower gel and it laddered beautifully. So this product is good to go. Good for body, good for face, and even good for the hair. Yes, this can be used head to toe. This can also be used by all skin type and all skin complexions, because I gave this shower gel to at least 8 people, and they all loved it. So yeah, it can be used by everybody. And see the bright red color, like this is your sign to make a red shower gel. And this was when I added some jojoba beads to it, black, so it was giving this watermelon kind of vibe. Yeah, so if you want to make yours, you could choose whatever you want to make, but I absolutely love this color that it gave to me. So this product is going to help brighten the skin. It's actually an everyday product because 2% lactic acid isn't really that serious, but if you have a very sensitive skin, you could use this product, let's say 3 to 4 times a week, and that's okay. If you give this a try, let me know in the comment section, and if you have any questions, let me also know in the comment section. If you have any video requests, write me in the comment section. Do not forget, if you're having troubles with your formulation, we have a diploma course that can help you out. And if it is too financially much for you, you could opt for our ebooks. Yes, we have ebooks on different niches on the skincare, and that can help too. So thank you so much for stepping by on this video. I would love to see you on the next one. From now, take care and have a lovely day.